Greeting viewers. Drink to reduce belly fat in 4 days. Although a well-balanced diet and fiber-rich meals are essential, you should not overlook the relevance of certain beverages in boosting your metabolism, combating belly fat, and achieving your weight loss objectives. Weight loss diet. It's simple to gain weight around the stomach, but losing it may be a nightmare and much more difficult than you believe. As a result, it's critical to realize that decreasing belly fat is a slow process that necessitates the appropriate balance of exercise and food. It won't happen quickly, but you can get rid of all the abdominal fat that's making you doubt yourself with a few easy lifestyle modifications. Of course, a well-balanced diet and fiber-rich meals are essential, but don't overlook the value of certain beverages in boosting your metabolism, combating belly fat, and assisting you in reaching your weight loss objectives. These beverages aren't some sort of magic elixir that will make you lose all of your pounds in a couple of days, but when combined with the appropriate diet, they can have positive benefits. Here are 11 drinks that will help you lose belly fat in 4 days. 1. Green tea. There is a substantial link between green tea consumption and weight loss. Green tea includes caffeine and a type of flavonoid called catechin, which is an antioxidant, which helps to enhance body metabolism. Both of these substances have been shown to speed up the metabolism in studies. Green tea is linked to good health and is the most effective fat-burning beverage. Matcha is a form of green tea that has a greater catechin content than loose-leaf green tea, making it a desirable weight loss option. Green tea also includes caffeine, which can aid weight reduction by increasing energy levels and enhancing exercise effectiveness. Lipton green tea is one of the most popular and reasonably priced green teas available. 2. Black tea. Black tea, like green tea, has chemicals that aid to promote weight reduction. Black tea has the greatest caffeine content, making it ideal for weight loss. Black tea is high in antioxidants and minerals that might help you feel better and reduce inflammation in your body. Black tea has been found in studies to aid with weight loss and abdominal fat loss. Caffeine gives you an energy boost that might help you burn more calories. Black tea can help you lose weight by replacing high-calorie liquids in drinks like juice and soda. Furthermore, black tea is a more flavorful option. Flavonoids in black tea aid to enhance fat distribution, resulting in a healthy weight loss. Black tea might help you lose weight by lowering your calorie consumption. It boosts metabolism and functions as a fat-burning detox drink because of its antioxidant properties. 3. Lemon tea. When it comes to removing waste from your body, lemon is the greatest. It aids in fat burning and bodily cleansing. Lemon tea, hot or cold, in defined amounts has been shown in studies to aid weight reduction by flushing toxins from the body and increasing metabolism. Lemon water can be quite beneficial to persons who are attempting to lose weight. Warm lemon water first thing in the morning will magically melt away all your fat. Green tea has some weight loss properties, but don't rely on it as a weight loss method. If you like lemon tea, include it in a weight loss regimen that also includes a low-calorie diet and regular exercise. Tea with lemon is a calorie-free, nutrient-dense beverage. According to studies, drinking 1 cup of coffee in the morning might help you burn fat. 4. Ginger tea. When it comes to burning fat from the body, ginger is the greatest. Ginger possesses antioxidant and anti-inflammatory qualities, according to research. They may aid in fat burning and blood sugar regulation. Ginger tea also enhances satiety, suppresses appetite, and aids fat burning. Ginger can be consumed as tea or used in dishes. Ginger can also be taken as a supplement in the form of a capsule, which might help prevent you from gastrointestinal side effects like heartburn. Ginger is well known for its ability to speed up metabolism. It also aids the body's fat-burning capabilities. In a cup, strain the ginger tea. To increase metabolism and speed up the breakdown of body fat, drink simple ginger tea before or after a meal. To increase the weight loss advantages of ginger tea, blend it with other healthy herbs or lemon to make a ginger tea. However, the study also states that the benefit of ginger on weight loss is limited and that additional research into its qualities is needed. 5. Honey water. Honey offers several advantages. It not only improves the appearance of your skin, but it also helps to maintain its health. It's a refreshing beverage. Honey functions as a fuel for the liver, causing it to create glucose. This glucose maintains the brain's sugar levels high and pushes fat-burning chemicals to be released. Replace sugar with honey to reap the benefits of the honey diet. Honey, warm water, and a few drops of fresh lemon juice can help with a variety of health issues, not simply weight loss. It aids digestion, increases metabolism, and allows your body to burn fat more effectively. Experiment with the amount of water you'll need to combine a spoonful of honey with. If your body's cells aren't getting enough water, they'll send a signal to your brain to start retaining water. As your kidneys strive to clear extra fluids, the more water you use in the water and honey drink, the more water weight you can lose. 6. Coconut water. Coconut water has a low calorie count and is gentle on the stomach. Coconut water, according to a study, has less sugar and carbs than other drinks. It contains bioactive enzymes that help with digestion and metabolism. Drink coconut water after your workout since it is the most refreshing drink. Pure coconut water is lower in sugar and includes electrolytes such as sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all of which aid in weight loss. 7. Aloe vera juice. You may have heard that aloe vera may assist with a variety of skin and body issues. Many individuals use aloe vera on their skin to maintain a healthy appearance. Why use it on the outside when you can cure it on the inside? Aloe vera juice is beneficial in the treatment of skin diseases. It helps to improve metabolism by acting as a fat-burning component. These chemicals combine to provide one of the most effective natural fat-burning cures. Aloe vera is a fat burner that contains vitamin B, which helps weight reduction by converting fat stored in the body into energy. 8. Peanut butter protein shake. 1 cup of yogurt, 12 cups of almond milk, 1 to 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, and 15 to 20 green grapes are blended together. Refrigerate until ready to eat. 9. Chocolate and banana protein shake. Chocolate and bananas go along beautifully. Blend together 10 almonds, 12 cups of yogurt, 34 cups of milk, 1 banana sliced into bits, and 1 teaspoon of chocolate powder in a blender until smooth. 10. Berry protein shake. Berries are high in antioxidants and a good source of fiber, both of which aid weight loss. You may make a smoothie with strawberries, Cape gooseberries, raspberry, or blackberries, jamon. 7 to 10 berries, 12 cups of whipped cottage cheese, 14 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and honey, if desired, are used to produce this delightful energy booster. 11. Apple cider vinegar. It is a fat-burning beverage. Apple cider vinegar, like water, keeps your stomach fuller, reducing overeating. Apple cider vinegar includes acetic acid, a substance that has been shown to aid weight reduction by lowering insulin levels, boosting metabolism, reducing hunger, and increasing fat burning. According to the research, adding 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to your diet for 3 months can result in considerable weight loss. Apple cider vinegar can also help you lose abdominal fat, belly fat, reduce waist circumference, and lower blood triglycerides, according to the study. These drinks will not only assist you in losing weight, but they will also keep you healthy. It also contains antioxidants, which aid in detoxifying. Let's drink to shed pounds. If you want to learn more about how to lose belly fat with exercise or dieting, click on the link in the description below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more secrets and tips, subscribe to the channel. There are 2 more videos you should see, both of them will undoubtedly assist you to achieve your goals. See you in our next video.